Welcome to TenMustardSeeds. On this channel, we'll be talking about real estate, credit restoration, family life, health and beauty, and of course, good reads. I am Belinda Robertson. I am a licensed real estate agent, credit restoration agent, minister, author, and an entrepreneur. So I have a lot that I want to offer to you. I hope that you will continue to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll be notified of whenever I put videos up. I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that what I have here will inspire and enrich your lifestyle. Love you much. Blessings to you all, and I'll see you on the other side of the camera. Bye.